Hello everyone, this is another video of me recording in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Here we have 4 Payne Sentry central air conditioners. You can see most of them are running. They have very nice compressor sounds. Here we go. '21. I think they're all 2021. I think they're probably heat pumps, I believe. R410A refrigerant. Wait, no, they're air conditioners. How could they be running in this cold weather? Yeah. I bet they have to keep the building cool. Yeah, according to Google Street View, these 4 2021 Payne Sentries did not replace anything. It is very crowded over here. We are right next to the Pfizer Forum. Yeah. You can probably see a little bit of the fans. Yeah, these are really cool. Haven't seen air conditioners hanging like this before. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. Over and out.